Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to register 1688 account. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to register in 1688 or 1688 here, and you just want to use their platform, well, registering is quite easy here. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and just visit their website. So in this case, just type in 1688.com in your browser and just press enter. Now, usually when you try going to their official website, it will redirect you directly into the login.taobao.com. Now, in here, by default, you should see this in Chinese, but the great thing about Google Chrome, if you're using Google Chrome, this will be basically automatic for you. But if this doesn't appear, usually at the very top here, you should see translate. You go and choose English. Now, if you are using other browsers, usually browsers would have this option. You can go and just right click on any of the empty spaces here and just choose translate to English. And once you've done that, you should now be able to understand what the information is being, or what type of information is needed from you here. Now, since we want to register, let's go and click on free registration. And it will redirect you to the registration page. Now, from here, again, you may want to translate this, but as you can see, I am automatically translating this for me. Again, right click on this page and just translate to English. Now, in here, let's go and just choose the personal account registration here. Click on register now. Now, this will require you to provide certain information about yourself. So, in this case, again, click on Translate to English. Now, in some cases, some parts may not be fully translated. So, if that's the case, you can go and use an app to translate this. Usually, Google Translate also has a feature like the Google Translate app on your phone. You can go and use that as well to translate what's ever being said in here. But just go and click on I agree. Now, in here, again, you can go and translate this to English, just in case, if you can actually translate this. Again, some parts may not be fully translated. So if that's the case, let's go and just see what information they need from us. Now, at the very top here, the first information that you need to provide is going to be your name. So, meaning this is your name, your actual legal name. Now, next is going to be your password. So, in this case, you want to go and just enter a password. You could go and use one recommended, or you could just use one that you may like to use for your account. Now, the third one here is going to be just the confirmation of your password. So, whatever you typed in the second line in here. Now, for the fourth line here, this is going to be your phone number. Now, you can go and choose one that is available in here. Now, in this case, go and choose one from your country. Go and choose that one. Enter the necessary information. And once you've done that, you need to go and slide this to the far right here to receive a verification code for your phone number. Now, typically, you need to provide the verification code that you'll be receiving as well in this page here. And finally, the checkbox here is going to be the Alibaba Terms of Service and Privacy Statement. So if you want to read further into those, you can go and just click on the following links in here. So this is going to be the Alibaba Terms of Service. This is going to be the Privacy Statement, and this is going to be the Payment Services Agreement. Now, once you provide all the information and verified your account here, you can go and just click on the agree and register, and you should be able to create your account. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.